Alright, we're gonna make the curly hair. I don't know how to make the curly like. Oh yes, we can make curly hair. It's easy. We can just add another layer underneath this, and then we're gonna make it. We're gonna choose another brush. Wait. I think I know what I'm doing. I think I know. Yes. Do this. Okay. Wait. We are going to lower down the opacity. Okay, so we can see the. Huh? Wait. This is rigged. No, we're gonna use a detail brush, okay? Very bad quality, but we will use it. Size, opacity. Yes, that's what we want. The size gonna be. Yeah. Perfection. Yes, perfect. Okay, now the layer underneath this, we are going to lower down the opacity even more. We're gonna do this. We're gonna make the curls, okay, like this, and we know where it's gonna be, like, okay. How do I make the curls? How do I make curls? We can just follow this. We can follow this, okay. Okay, something is wrong with me. Something is definitely wrong with me. I'm very excited today. There we go. Then we're gonna select this. We're gonna do this. Then we're gonna make this smaller. Because why not? You want to make this smaller, so why not? We're gonna do this. And ta-da! Like this, before and after. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now what we're gonna do is lower the opacity. Then we're gonna add another layer, because the more the layers, the better. We're gonna use the brush that we were using. We're gonna go to recents, use this brush. Yes, perfect. Just remember, the more the brushes, the better. Okay, the more the brushes, the better. Make a lot of curls, because who doesn't love some good curls? Okay, we're going to have to yay, you're better than the last one. They're better than the last ones. Yay. Like this. Okay. No. This. Oh, we can make one like that as well. Wow, that's very easy. What's my favorite part about drawing? My favorite part about drawing is the making the line art in digital art. And in traditional art, my favorite part is drawing on making the sketch. My favorite part is making the sketch. But like in digital art, and I hate coloring it. It's like, why do we have to color it? Sleep back. How do you make the hair? It's very hard to make the hair. Personally, I think that it's very hard to make hair. On traditional, it's really fun to make the hair. But on digital, it is very hard. Personally, it's my personal preference. That's why it's called personal preference, because it's what you personally think, okay? There we go. Yay! It looks really nice. It looks nice. It looks nice. So now we're gonna delete this layer because why not? It's just an extra layer. Okay, now now we're going to, after we're done with this, right? Yeah. Now we are going to make now we're gonna make the real thing. Okay, we're gonna make the real thing, and we're going to merge all of these layers together. Should we merge? We merged them! We merged them! Yay! Okay, we're going to lessen the opacity, of course, because why not? Over here as well. Over here as well. Over here as well. Yeah, as you can see, it is very light and you cannot see it. Now we are going to make the face first. So we're gonna undo the opacity. We're gonna, like, I don't know, make it go farther. English is my first language. So yeah. Ooh, wait, huh? Oh yeah. Ta-da! Okay, so we're going to make her nose a bit big, not like in the picture. We're gonna make it a bit big because I love people with big noses. It's very cute. It's very cute. It's very demure. We're going to use the selection tool once again. Selection tool once again, and we're gonna select like this. I'm gonna choose the transform tool again, and then we're gonna make it smaller because it looks a bit weird on the face. Like this. Okay, the easiest way to know where to position the nose is just take it away and then put it where you think looks best. Da-da-da-da. Something is wrong with me. No! Why should I even do that? No. Distort? No. Like this. Okay. Take it away. Put it. And then we're gonna check which one is better. Before or after. Okay. The after one is a bit like weird. So we're gonna fix it. Once again. We're gonna put it over here. And then we're gonna do it again. Before. After. Okay. Now the lips look weird. We're gonna fix the lips. We're gonna keep fixing them until we think it looks good enough. Because it can't be perfect. Actually, we're gonna make the lips again because I don't like them.